Motorcyclists today are blessed with a huge variety of bikes to choose from when it comes to cruisers. New riders looking for a bike with the classic cruiser style and look while offering modern performance and a laid-back ride have never had it better. Well, here we have suggested 6 best cruiser models suitable for new riders. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a reliable, beginner-friendly cruiser with a simple frame and a small, robust engine. The bike has a classy retro style, but combines that with dependable modern engineering. It also comes standard with dual-channel ABS, which is helpful in emergency braking situations. The bike features an air-cooled 349cc single-cylinder engine that is fuel-injected and mated to a 5-speed transmission. Although its 349cc air-cooled single may not outperform a bike like the Rebel 300, it has an impressively flat torque curve and a mild-mannered engine that's very approachable and makes for a leisurely ride. With its timeless charm and comfortable riding position and seat, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a worthy cruiser option that requires very little cash to drop down at the dealer. When it comes to an ideal cruiser motorcycle for beginners, it's hard to find a new bike better than the Honda Rebel 500. It is affordable, approachable, and versatile. The parallel twin 471cc liquid-cooled engine puts out great power but isn't too intimidating, allowing newer riders to grow into it, riding harder as their skills increase. Honda designed the Rebel 500 to be an entry-level cruiser for the 21st century, so you get plenty of modern tidbits, such as a slipper clutch, an all-LED lighting package, a digital instrument cluster, and an optional ABS. This beginner cruise motorcycle has a low seat height and versatile ergonomics, so shorter riders can plant their feet, yet taller riders won't feel too cramped up. As far as beginner motorcycles go, Kawasaki does have some great offerings. The Japanese Titan offers a fantastic cruiser motorcycle called the Kawasaki Eliminator, which rides on a 451cc parallel twin and packs a sufficient amount of punch. The 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator goes head-to-head with the 2023 Honda Rebel 500, with the Kawasaki offering a lot of value for just $200 more than the Honda. The Eliminator has disc brakes all around, a standard assist slipper clutch, and smartphone capability from its digital dash. Add to this its 22-pound weight advantage over the Rebel, and you're looking at more grunt here. Easy on the eyes and easy on the wallet, the Kawasaki Eliminator is definitely for those who want the road presence that comes with a swanky cruiser without blowing a hole in their account. The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 is one of the best cruisers for beginners with its neutral riding position, easy cruising DNA, and outstanding overall fit and finish. Royal Enfield built the first Meteor model in the early 60s and continues the long tradition with this bigger version of the renowned Royal Enfield Meteor 350, which is also a great model for beginning riders who may get intimidated by the size of the Super Meteor. The heart of the Super Meteor is a robust air-cooled 648cc parallel twin engine. The motor produces 46 horsepower and features a 270-degree firing interval used in many modern parallel twin engines, resulting in smooth and effortless highway journeys. What makes the Kawasaki Vulcan S such a popular choice for new riders is its accommodating ergonomics. While some motorcycles are better suited for certain heights, the Vulcan S suits all kinds of riders. A low seat and forward control back this up well. To make matters sweeter, you get a trusty 649cc liquid-cooled parallel twin mill between your legs. There's enough juice to keep new riders entertained for a long time, whether you're looking to cruise or enjoy a sporty ride. Perfect for getting comfortable as a new rider, Kawasaki offers its ErgoFit features on the Vulcan S that allow you to adjust the rider triangle according to your preferred riding position and height. If you enjoy modern cruisers with the latest technology, sporty engines, and bold styling, then the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a good option. Often considered Honda's most underrated cruiser motorcycle, the Honda Shadow checks off all the boxes one looks for in a beginner's cruiser. Simple, stylish, and smooth are some adjectives that fit this bike well, all of which help you introduce your inner badass to the rest of the world. All this while, the motorcycle carries forward the likable 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin 4-stroke engine, which delivers the right amount of kick for a new rider to make them feel in control and not present itself as overpowering. Furthermore, the final shaft drive adds to the charm of the clean look. So the Shadow is ideal for beginner riders, just looking to cruise around town and build their confidence, operating a real motorcycle in real-life traffic without feeling intimidated by it. However, the Honda Shadow is for riders with a bit more budget that want a bike they can grow into.